Hi, I'm Paul Fischino at Ricoh. I'd like to welcome you to 2013 InfoComm show. What we're really highlighting here at this show this year is our newly designed projector, and we've coined the term desk edge for this model. Now this is a new ergonomic design. Before, projectors had all of the connections usually on the back or on the side, and that made a little bit of a problem for the people that were trying to sit next to the projector and do any work on the table. What you wound up with was cable clutter. You had cables laying across the table, the AC cord, the VGA cable, and unfortunately someone was always getting the heat from the fan of the projector blowing on top of them. The new design that we've created for this projector is so that all of the connections are located on the front panel, so that you now have all of your cables draped easily over the front edge of the desk, and you don't have to worry about having the cables clutter on the table. We've also relocated the fan, so the heat is now blowing out of the front of the projector. So you don't have anyone sitting in the way of the fan blowing hot air on them. But the real beauty of this product is that we have redesigned the lens so that we are now able to actually position the projector much closer to the screen, so that when it sits at the end of the table, you actually get a full-size image projected onto the screen. Now before, you probably would have had the projector sitting back as far as 12 feet away from the screen in order to create the same size image that we're creating today by only placing the projector about 5 or 6 feet away. This model is a networking device so that we are actually able to connect up an iPad or one of your laptop through a wireless connection, which can be done through the same network that you have your PC tied to and the projector synced up with. So you have options here. You have multiple inputs on the face of the unit where you can work with HDMI cables for video. You have VGA connections coming from your PC. You even have a USB connection if you wanted to have it hooked up using a USB switch. But the beauty of the networking model is that you are able to also work with it in a wireless configuration if you want. So that's what's new in our new desk edge models here at Ricoh. We'd like to invite you to come back to our website and see us at ricoh-usa.com and check out the rest of the line of projectors that we have. Thanks for being with us here at InfoComm 2013. I hope you enjoyed Ricoh's new projector line.